abangani peer pressure abangani aba-wrong umngane wakho uma angacala akutshele ngenye into ukuthi hey mina ngenza kanje phuma lapho uyangithola kubuhlungu ukufunda cabanga nje from first year uze ufike ku-grade 12 isikhathi eside kanje ubuye ekuseni nje uyihudule khona uvuke namhlanje athi hayi marazi ngiyoceda nini kunzima ukufunda buza mina kodwa ayikho into endlule ukuthi uthandaze uNkulunkulu akugcine respect iyakulonda respect hlonipha uthisha umzali wakho ungayicompare naye ufundile lo yamuntu waqeda uqonda isalary yakhe manje wena uthi uclever abanye bafuna ukuyeka isikole kusasa nje khona ongekaphinda kuyela nginamanga ene khona iclever labo after school nishaya abanye abantwana nibabhukisha ayiphele lento leyo angithi focusani emfundweni umuntu makaphuma la afike ekhaya bomntwana as from today mangabe uhambe ongakhulumisani noma mama buya ngoba ninamahloni nokuxolisa ngithi nina abantwana buya usingangele kumama kumbuze this wenze imisebenzi le ahlala kukhuzela ukuthi wena mabuya esikoleni ubeka incwadi bese uyahamba uye ngo10 siyayazi leyo uthole nizivula lana Friday ngoba ku Friday namhlanje khona bengeke bakhumula uniform koze kushaye u8 ebusuku lokugcoka uniform imfundo ibalulekile my dear angeke ngibone manje angeke yiko bathi abakho kanjani ukuthi nokuthi uzokuphila kamnandi siyabuya zonke uyayithola you regret ukuthi yo kabe so ngena ama next school ufunda somdala uyayithola into ezindala yebo uzofunda somdala kuzoba right mara bekumnandi ngalesa sikhathi umncane uyayithola into ezindala Zuzani ke nisakhola manje uyayibona Zuzani uNkulunkulu wangiseka ke mina ngoba bengixoxa esikoleni ufike kwesinye bangithatha kwathi ngikolo uyaxoxa nje ungasathola isikole yebo apha ngithini uNkulunkulu wazi wangifikisa la bengifika khona it was a gift ke azange nje ngifuna uku-examine azange nje ngifuna uku-act kusho ukuthi igift yami yangihanda kwakuzomele kube njalo ngoba it was a process ngiyapotile professor ubaba wathi so besingazile thina mhlawumbe nje uma ngifile TV or ngilahlekile ngifune it was my gift wena focus esikolweni mama uyafuna uku-hamba uyezifiyela uyenze kahle ungene kahle uyethonto njalo ufa umfana siyakuthanda yebo masikothise akekho umuntu othanda umzali wakhe mayaphiwe angekho umuntu ozothanda umzali wakhe uzokubuza uyakuthanda uyakukhothisa ufuna ukuthi akulibazise mina futhi ndidate abantu abayeka isikole abangafuni uthanda kwenzani ngayo uzobakha athini yebo focusani esikolweni nifunde ningabhidisi abanye abantwana usebenze ekhaya usebenze esikolweni nalabo abasebenza even nokufeyila ukufeyila vele yiko ukuthi uye phambili yabasobo ngoba mawubuyela ngisoyenza into ehlulile sekuba lula ungathi ufeyilile mina ngisabuyela uyabona into enjani uzoyifunda uyifunde izoze ingene la ukwazi ukuyikrem ngimdala mina ngina 47 ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngifunde endlini iscript ngiphume engasiphetha asikho manje kimi mara mangiphuma la ngiyoshuta uyabona into enjani ngiyayikhumbula yonke lento bengiyifunda lapha endlini ngizofike ngiyenze ngifike ngiyigcwalisele nangesikasi sami ngifakele njengesikasi sami inde uyayithola into enjani nawe funda-ke endlini ithi makumbe exam awuphethanga nithi la manje phethe ibhotweni nephepha nithi uzokhumbula ini lezi zinto lezi ngokufunda ebusuku endlini angithi ubhala itest uphase nami ngiphasa kanjalo ukuthi nibe friends
Ngwana ongangitshela nje ukuthi yini into ayifundayo since isikole fast 3-1 la phambili yini into ayifundayo yini ecabanga ukuthi uyayizwa njengoba siyithina education is important ne yazi ukuthi isikolo without isikolo basically ngeke uyendawo so thina sizoloku sikukhumbuza ukuthi isikolo si important our teacher fanitshela every day thina sesizofaka nje ispice kancane just ukuthi sin-encourage ukuthi isikolo sibalulekile ne lo sisengizombiza olandelayo uyabhala bakhona abantu abafuna ukuba ney'ncwadi zabo la yes bakhona ne so ngicela nimameleni maybe uzonithipha antshela ukuthi uma ufuna ukubhala later on in life uqala kuphi kanjani and then nimpheni chance nimameleni ne oh okay ngicela u-Antoinette asondele
bakhona lebasiza koswati la ngingumbhali ngichanga eMpumalanga eNasport. So my recent book is about gender-based violence. Do you guys know what gender-based violence is? Yes. What is gender-based violence? Yes. So the thing that I'm here to tell you is the minute you let someone victimize you and you don't do anything about it, you are no longer a victim but a participant. You are a willing participant in whatever is going to be going in your life. Or whatever it is that you're going to let someone do to you. So the minute I come and slap you out, it's not something that you want. You have a right to report me. You can take any measures to report me. Call me out. So at this stage that you're at, you can have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Actually, you're not going to do anything about it because we are that's the mindset that most of you have. But nobody and it happens that you do. Always remember the minute you let someone victimize you, you are no longer a victim but a willing participant. Now, kumeta umuntu wesifazane usuke ukuvusela imali yesebe.
Kuhamba angeke siseke kabi ngoba manje seniyarasa yabo so njengoba beniziphethe kahle njengoba sesizoqeda asikhipheni leyo energy ne umuntu ubhuti engizombiza manje ama matric angakuphi nama grade 11 ngapha ne just for 2 minutes ngicela ukufocus kulaba kancane ne njengoba niku grade 11 nizoya ku grade 12 and then grade 12 first year or college or something, it's very important for you guys to know what you want to do, ne? And to know that obviously some of you guys have dreams, you want to do this and that, but there's a process of applying that you guys need to go through. And some of us don't have internet, some of us don't have the means to even apply. So ubhuti engizombiza ubhuti usebenza ngama matric kakhulu nangama grade 11, especially lawa azophuma sewangena varsity, just to understand ama requirements, I process ukuthi isebenza kanjani just before uzoqeda ukubhala trial. So uyaqala uya apply, but usually ba apply from grade 11 ngama results of grade 11 so that abalance for space, because space asikho university. And for some reason before ngimbiza ukuthi university magister kugcwele amantombazana angazi ini, and a problem because that means amajita mawesete isikolo angazi ora wafuna ukuya university or angazi mara mele sizameni ukuyichange leyo direction ne, because kusasa siya amajita sizobe sesiteni sesiwashela bona imoto umuntu ufunde nayo ihlale nayo then somwashela imoto ayisifair, you understand, because nine same equal opportunity ne. Ngicela ukuthi uRod Sondela.
There's one thing I've observed since Ngilana. There are some of those who are coming in, and based on my observation, ni late, ne? So automatically you are coming late to school. One thing you must notice that whatever you are doing now is of affect in 5 years or 10 years time. You need to respect time, ne? Because time is money. If you come late, awezweni uthisha noma umzali uzenzela wena. Yonke into yenza manje uyenzela wena. Abanye benu abazali benu basemathuneni kodwa ibehavior yenu behavior ngathi niphumelele empilweni. Into ekumele niyenze ukuthi kusasa le mpilo eniyiphila namhlanje litshintsha ke. To our grade 12, we have universities that are already open for 2026. You need to make sure you apply as soon as you can, because if you don't apply 2026, you'll be in the PNM. We also have Amatibet colleges. We have this tendency of undermining Amatibet colleges. Not everyone will be good in math and science. Abanye bakwazi ukusebenza imisebenzi yezandla ngeke sibe bodokotela sonke ne. So if you know ukuthi uyakude imisebenzi yezandla, go to Tibet College and get that experience, right? So bafethu into eyomsiza ukuthi nilalele. You need to respect your teachers, number one. Number two, especially kumantombazane ngoba I always say, imali yabazali benu akuyoneli. You need to work hard for your own money. Ake niyeke ukuthatha imali zabazali benu yophuza utshwala. Mantombazane ake niyeke ukuthatha imali zabazali benu ukuvakashela abafana ngoba ngoba ngelinye ilanga abazali bazoshona uzohlupheka nengane yakhe. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi namantombazane manje niyabuza ngizohamba maybe nabafana abayi-5 or niyi-5. It's 5-5, which is totally different. By any chance you fall pregnant, no one will raise that child with you. You will carry that child alone. So make sure that whoever you choose them wisely. Ngoba abafana abapheli. Ayinto emnandi sabafana sina no walahla walimali. Walahla walimali. So you need to make sure at this age, I can assure you, kunengane ezu-grade 8 ne-boyfriend man. Yes. Kunengane ena-13 years, be pregnant somewhere. And you're gonna suffer alone. Abafana bayabaleka. Amantombazana kune-pressure yama-weave nama-iPhone. Hello? Amantombazane kune-pressure yama-weave nama-iPhone, especially on social media. Mina, I'm saying instead of going for umfana who is driving a Golf 7 GTI, who's a fellow now wings and Masava now see. Rather, you sacrifice manja and slave. Abajade and fellow Masava now 6. I think it's less than 200. Nama wings. Instead of going for a guy because of the GTI, because of e-weave or the iPhone, rather you study hard so that in 5 years you can drive your own BMW. Rather you study hard so that in 5 years you can buy your iPhone 15 or 16. Start off from your trade. Work hard so that you can buy your own with Rover, the value part. Remember, let the slave queen for 2015, manje i-value. Basebenza ngani manje? In 2030, basebenza ngabantu abafana. Make sure that you choose your friends wisely. Abafana will contribute to the gender-based violence. And let's iqala manje. Look, umani athende eklasini kunalento simhlanje intombazane yethu izona something bese uyayishaya. That's abuse on its own. So when you know very well as a guy, whatever behavior that le behavior nayo manje, you will have it even after 5 years. Into iqala ukuthi manje ejala kukho mnandi. Uma uyingane yomfana ubhema inkantini nabangani bakho, by any chance you commit a crime and then you all get arrested, two things. One can be released bail, and then there will be you who will be sentenced to 15 years. Trust me, you will never share that sentence with your friends. Namanje you can misbehave as far as you want, but one day remember you will be alone SLE. Remember one day you will be alone raising a child. Make sure that you respect your teacher. Make sure that you refrain from drinking alcohol. refrain from ukuthanda izinto ezimnandi. Utshwala awupheli, we have been drinking, namanje siyaphuza nje.
bakhona aba-actayo la esikoleni bakhona abane-dream yokuthi bona bafuna ukuzibona e-TV one day. Okay. So yabo laba aba-actayo ne kunabantu esizobabiza bakhulume nani banithiphe, but sometimes nokucabanga ukuthi uku-acta is just ukuvela e-TV yangithi, and uku-acta kumele uqale kuphi esikolweni ngoba kune-scripts kumele usifunde. Mangaba understand i-English, i-director yakho ikutshela ukuthi mara uthi ufuna uku-acta uzophaphalaza, uyangu-understand? So it's very important ukuthi ma ufuna ukudlala ibhola nasebholeni kunama-contract, nasemculweni kunama-contracts. Angeke after 5 years uthi wena ufuna ukucula bese uyabuya futhi uyakhala ukuthi bayakurobha kanti awukwazanga ukuzifundela i-contract. Yabo kunabantu abaningi basafara because of aba-understandi ukufunda ne. Lo sise ngizombiza igama lakhe uSibulele ne, u-actor kwenye show yakhona ile dlala 9:30 ku-e.tv ne. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukuyibukela leyo show ne, anikhohlwa ne, ona kunyayibukela ne. Alright, ngicela usisi Sibulele asondela zokhuluma.
And I play Unolita on Isita the Enemy. Where's Kumaoya the next time there's a night? So, guys, I'm here to speak about the importance of having a dream. Bakona bantu abanama pupola? By show of hands, bano kunu act. Oh, okay. By show of hands, bano kunu kalipola. By show of hands, bano kunu bangu doctor. So guys, sometimes we come from disadvantaged backgrounds, which means, guys, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. So sometimes we come from backgrounds as an advantage, and you think you won't make it in life. Friends that are going to try and discourage us. What I want to tell you today is that don't understand the people like it. But understand the people like it. Understand the people like it. Exactly. So don't let anyone try and discourage you. If you want to be an actress, they understand the way now and where you want to be in life. They understand and keep pushing, guys. But also there's another thing that how many people you can get where you want to be. You can be an actress right now, but you still need discipline. You still need to be punctual. You still need to prepare. So if you can't focus today, and when the teachers are telling you, because the teacher when the teachers tell you, you need to do your homework, you need to submit on time, you need to be punctual, you need to make sure that you need Mauser College, you understand? And if you don't listen now, no one in the real world is going to tell you that. Master, we're adults. Master, if you go to varsity, if you're a doctor, if you're an actress, if you're a soccer player, a soccer star, an influencer, no one is going to tell you that you need to submit things on time. No one is going to tell you that you need to put 100% every day, guys. You guys think acting is very difficult. We wake up, pick-up time is 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm on my way to work. Sometimes you even rap number 9 at soup. We understand? This whole time I need to make sure that I prepare I need to make sure that my students are not Kuma. These are things that you guys are These are things that you guys are going to learn at an early age. You understand? So one thing, guys, put 100% in everything that you do, especially if it has to do with your future. Because you guys all know where you want to be in life, right? Yes. You guys all want to be successful. But if you put 20%, also be successful. You can't put 20% and expect 100% in return, right? Yes. You can't put 20% and expect success if our focusing go and you don't change your life now. It's not going to work. At 13. Both my parents are lost. I grew up with my grandmother. there was no money back at home. But I understood the plan, I understood my vision, and I understood the success that I wanted. You understand? So I went to primary, I went to high school, I went to varsity, and then I started working on ISITA the NM. If you guys want the success, you need to put in 100% in everything that you do. Nobody homework at highway to activity 3, you need to put in 100% so that you get what you want in life. Unyiko spoke today, what he, the mind, law of attraction. Una vision. You have a plan. You know where you want to be. But you need to think positive thoughts. Yes, I'm in this situation right now. Yes, I'm family and I can't go, I can't nothing. But I have a vision, I have a plan, and I have God. Whatever you believe in, I have God. But believe in yourself more than anyone else. I can't tell people and expect them to understand. No one will understand. But you guys, none of you guys want to be the Kumas of the world. You guys want to be the Matsidisos of the world. You guys probably want to be the Nolitas of the world. But you guys want to be the Nolitas of the world. You need to push. Ne? You need to what? Push. Okay, guys, you need to what? Push. You need to what? Push. Thank you so much, guys.
1, 2, 3. Konje yini legama le show le usisa ektakulo? And then nidala what time? 9:30. Oh, all right. Yabo lo tulala ngo8 uyolala ngo11 mara manje sekafuna ukuzenza ngcono. That's why ngoba sometimes masibona abantu abaningi sifuna ukushow offer, yabo. And there is 1, 2, 3. Yazi ukushow offer kwenzakalani? Wena ucabanga ukuthi maybe uhlakaniphile or ufuna bakubone or maybe wenza joke, but joke later on mina mangisuka la ngemsebenzini wena mawusuka la uye classini, so angazi ukuthi ubani ozoba joker better than mina or between wena. Anyway, ngithanda ukubonga for indlebe enisiphe yona. Onendlebe wenzeni? So ziningi izinto esizikhulumile lana ne, and ezinye zazo izinto enizaziyo, izinto ezenzeka every day empilweni zenu. Sometimes thola ukuthi khonomile uthulile, maybe uyasho ukuthi hey bakhuluma iqiniso namhlanje because maybe mina ngikheranga or mina ugogo wami vele last week uye washona nani. So inkinga zenu siyazazi ne, so